Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Chipiwa. So today we are doing a weekly shopping vlog. So I'll be taking you with me to do my shopping for the week. So just a bit of a background. We're a family of 4 and we have a budget of £720 that we should spend on food. So per week I need to be spending around 142, and then I spend £150 every month on our meat that I buy and then freeze and put it in the freezer. So that's how we are trying to manage our monthly food bill, so that we don't find ourselves spending a lot of money on the things that we shouldn't be buying, and just buying random things, and then we end up spending around £1,000, because at some point it was going that far. So we thought we need to manage it better. So I will be taking you guys shopping with me. I've got my list. I always make sure that I take a list when I go and buy my food. That way I don't just pick things just because I'm seeing it. I make sure that I stick to the list that I've written down, and I buy only the things that I need. It's mainly fruit and veg, and things that I will need for the kids, for their lunch boxes for school, and the things that we can pick randomly when we come back from school and from work, also during the week. So yeah, let's go shopping. I'll come back and I'll show you what I've bought for the week. And it's my son's birthday, so there are a few things that I need to buy to bake a cake. I also bake. So yeah, let's go shopping together. So these are the things that I bought for this shopping haul. I didn't get lots of things, but I'm still under budget, because I think I spent around 123, so which is good. So this is my fish. I bought fish today. for today's dinner. And I got some chicken. I was craving a hard body, so I thought, why not, instead of having a broiler that we have in the fridge, some grapes, cooking oil, avocados, garlic, carrot. So for this shopping haul, I've spent 124 pounds and 2 pence. So that's how much I've spent. So I'm still under budget on my 142 pounds. So I'll see if I need anything during the week, so the balance will still be utilized to buy the things that I might need during the week. So yeah, that's how much I spent. So let's cook dinner together. So I'll be cooking for the family today, so I thought, why not? And then yeah, I hope you enjoy this vlog.
hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine.